Bonjour à tous, hi everyone, and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 1, leçon L. And in this lesson, we'll discover together l'article interrogatif. So it's really useful, and we'll see that now. So l'article interrogatif, here you get the masculine form, and it's quel. Quel means what. Okay, so that's what you'll use when you want to ask a question with what, okay? And you've got a good example here. So, quel est votre nom de famille? What is your, so the polite form of your, nom de famille, family name, last name, okay? Quel est votre nom de famille? What is your last name? Second example, quel est votre prénom? Prénom is first name. What is votre, the polite form for your? Quel est votre prénom? What is your first name? Okay, so you can see now, more in detail, that nom, prénom are masculine words. And that's the reason why, in that case, you get to choose the article here according to the gender of the word it is connected to. Quel, masculine form, because nom is masculine. Quel, masculine form, because prénom is masculine. Okay, let's see now the feminine. And the good news is that, as usual in French, we write the thing differently, but then we can pronounce them the same way. And then the feminine form is written like that, Q-U-E-L-L-E, but it's pronounced like the masculine form. Quel at the masculine, quel at the feminine. Okay, so it's basically same pronunciation. Okay, and then here we've got two examples. So for the same reason as previously, we had this nom and then prénom. They were masculine words, so you will have to put this quel form at the masculine. And then here, nationalité and adresse, so nationality, address, are feminine words. So it does mean that you will have to use this article interrogatif, quel, at the feminine form. Quelle est, what is, votre, your, nationalité. What is your nationality? Quelle est votre nationalité? Okay. Quelle est votre adresse? What is your address? Okay. So, let's repeat them. Quel est votre nom de famille? Quel est votre prénom? Quelle est votre nationalité? Quelle est votre adresse? Okay. So, remember one thing for the phonetics, okay, the way to pronounce them. Quel, masculine form here, will be pronounced exactly as the feminine form here. Quel. So, only one sound, okay? And then the second thing that you've got to remember, of course, you can, well, basically accord these articles with the word they are connected to. So it does mean that if the word is at the plural form, then you will have to put the plural form. The rule in French, if you remember correctly from the previous lessons we've been doing, is to put this final S at the end of the words to put the plural. Okay, so quel here for the masculine singular will become quel here, masculine plural. Okay, quel here, feminine singular, will become quelle with the S, feminine plural. And the good news is that you will pronounce them the same way. Alright, so quel, 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 and quel. Okay, remember that in some cases, of course, you will have to make this little liaison, you know, this little link between the words. So if the word or the verb or whatever is coming after is starting with the vowel, of course you will have to put this little link. But then if you pronounce it, or if you pronounce them just like that, quel, 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 quel. Okay? That's it. So it was leçon L. Okay, it does mean that the next lesson is leçon M, and you can find this lesson or the previous lessons on the channel that you can see here on YouTube, okay? And then the main website, imagier.net, it's here. You can find many things. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.